How to combine multiple Word files into one document. Do you have multiple Microsoft Word files that you need to merge into a single document? Don't worry, it's super easy. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open Microsoft Word. 2. Click on the Insert tab. 3. In the text section, click on Object, then select Text from File from the drop-down menu. 4. Select all the Word files you want to compile. 5. Click Insert, and just like that, all the content from your selected files will be merged into one document. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it, and most importantly, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips. See you in the next video.